zest. Chiseled and carved, put it to the test. Shaped the beak, the eyes so keen, wiped off the smile, made it mean. Flat head, a funny smile. My eagle looked a little while like a happy duck, a feathered friend. This wasn't how it was supposed to end. Now it glares with feathered might, wings spread wide in angry flight. A king of birds, a fearsome grace, the smile replaced with a hunter's face.